Hi, my name is Mackenzie Robbins, and I am doing the same project as everyone else. So here we go. Iceland, geologic history. Iceland's location. So Iceland's tectonic plates are located on the Eurasia and North American tectonic plate. And then Iceland is located on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge in the North Atlantic Ocean and is near the Arctic Circle. So Iceland's general mineral composition is 90% basaltic rock because Iceland is made from the solidification of magma, and then basaltic rock is pretty much made out of magma. So Iceland was formed about 100 million years ago. A volcanic plume, also known hotspot, was formed under Iceland, and then about 55 to 70 million years ago, Greenland started drifting northwest over the hotspot. And then when Greenland finally drifted far enough away from the hotspot, volcanic activity started taking place, and then the magma became solid, and then basaltic rock made up what is now Iceland. And then, so about 20 to 40 million years ago, there was a land bridge between Scotland and Greenland, but the continents started drifting, so then when they started drifting, that land bridge was just left, and then that's how we know of Iceland, because the land bridge is Iceland. So Iceland's geologic mechanisms. So the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So Iceland sits on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and this causes the island to be split by shifting tectonic plates and are going to the east and to the west. So that's being shown in the picture, how the North American plate and then the Eurasia plate are being split. And then another mechanism would be the hotspot, which is very important because without the hotspot, Iceland probably wouldn't be formed. So Iceland is formed out of basaltic rock, which is the material that comes from magma and which makes up Iceland. And then another mechanism would be the rift zone. So the rift zones are like weak cracks in like rock, and that allows the magma to like come through the rock and create the island. So Iceland's current situation. So Iceland is actually being split apart at a rate of 1 inch per year because of the divergent plate boundaries. So it's slowly being ripped apart. And then it's going to be pulled from the east and to the west. And then since the island is always splitting, very slowly though, but there's so much seismic activity, so that causes a lot of earthquakes, and I thought it was like actually, I almost didn't believe it that they have almost 500 earthquakes a week. I mean, they're not all super serious, but like that's a lot. And then Iceland is expanding at 0.8 inches per year because the eastern side of the island is drifting towards the east, and then the western side of the island is drifting toward the west because of the tectonic plates always moving. So Iceland's future. So it's pretty much what's happening right now. So Iceland will continue to split apart at 1 inch per year, and then Iceland will continue to have earthquakes, and then Iceland will continue to expand at the rate of 0.8 inches per year. And that is it. Thank you.